Hello everyone. Recently, United States has officially notified to United Nations that it will be withdrawing from WHO, that is World Health Organization. Okay. When they are sending such a notice, this will be coming to effect in uh, on July 6th of 2021 because it will take about 1 year for completing all the processes of withdrawal. Okay. And if you are looking at the history of this kind of decision that has been taken by the president of US, we can see that for the last 2-3 months there was a lot of criticism over the WHO's works and activities based on the corona event because United States president has already accused WHO for bowing to Chinese influence, and also on May 29 US president has warned WHO because of this corona influence and Chinese influence, and also had given 30 days for reforming the WHO or to lose US support. Okay. And also on that day he announced that his administration was leaving the organization due to what he said was its inadequate response to the initial outbreak of the coronavirus in China's Wuhan. Okay. So what China is what US is accusing that China has a lot of influence in WHO, and its response, WHO's response to tackle this corona pandemic was not adequate, even was often going to China's influence. That is what the United States is saying. And already United States president has cut or moved to cut US funding for WHO because you may be knowing that WHO is one of the main contributors United States, even though there are other states. One of the main source of fund for WHO is United States, and they have already moved to cut the US funding for WHO, and now comes this move for withdrawing from the WHO. Okay, so he has taken such a move on it is said that, as per report, it is said that one point is that WHO's handling of coronavirus is one reason they are saying, and another saying is that upcoming US elections, because there is only a limited time for the United States election, and for managing or to get a good name for the upcoming election, something has to be done. That is why such a kind of move has been taken by the president of the United States. That is also such a kind of reports. All these opinions are based on the reports of various newspapers. Okay, so it is said that handling of criticism of administration's handling of this virus by aggressively attacking China and the WHO and upcoming US elections is cited as two reasons for such a move by the president of US. Okay, and the impact of USA by this move, actually it will cause the US influence in the global arena, because so far US has been the leader, and I told you that USA is one of the most is contributing such a large amount of money to WHO, and it has a important position in the WHO. So by withdrawing US from the WHO, it will be creating a vacuum in the WHO. So in that vacuum China can fill, and will be more happy to fill. Okay, so it will be creating a vacuum which China can easily fill that vacuum. That is one of the impact on USA as well as the global arena. So definitely it will be undermining the leadership of the USA. Another point is that it will undermine an important institution, that is WHO, because now they are moving for developing vaccines, and number of drug trials are going on to address the COVID-19 outbreak. Okay, so what will happen if WHO is getting attack on the funding, as well as one of the major fund supplier like US is withdrawing from the WHO, is that it will prolong this crisis, putting everyone at risk. So based on that, one of the Democratic senator of US itself, what he has said is that this will protect American lives or interest. It will leave Americans sick and America alone. That is what Democratic senator of America said about this withdrawal, because whenever American president is calling for America for Americans, such a kind of slogans, what is actually happening is it is leaving Americans sick and America alone. Okay, so if America is again moving with this decision, what will happen is that definitely America will be alone in the uh, fight against corona, and that will prolong this crisis. Okay, because we need fund for drug trials as well as for developing vaccines against corona, and America is not the only nation hit and affected by this corona. So in this kind of situation, what we need to do is global means all countries of the world should stand together and should fight together against this kind of diseases. Instead of that, withdrawing from this WHO, saying that it is not functioning well or it is not working proper, will not be good for the future. Okay, so that is what is going on, and it will be major setback for the science, public health as well as the global coordination effort. Okay, and not only it will affect American as well as foreign people, I told you. So this will be the general impact on America as well as the whole world if United States is withdrawing from the WHO. Okay, and there are some terms of withdrawal also, like as per the law, according to the New York Times, by law US must give WHO a year's notice before withdrawing. That has been already given, and it will be processed or finishing by July 6th of 2021. That is I already told you. And another condition is that should meet all the financial obligation to the WHO. So it is said that there are about 200 million to be given to WHO. US is contributing about 400 millions US dollar per year, and the due is about 200 million. So if that obligations are also met, United States can easily withdraw from the WHO as per the time schedule. Okay, so this is the terms of the withdrawal from the WHO. One is that there should be a prior notice of this withdrawal before 1 year. So if the United States is giving notice in this year, USA can withdraw from the WHO next year. Okay, so 1 year time period is needed and financial obligation must be met. That is the two conditions mentioned in this mentioned for withdrawing from the WHO. And if we are checking for the way forward at this point of situation, the only way forward is that we should not only US, every country should use every strength to strengthen the WHO, because we need WHO at this point of time to fight against corona as well as the other diseases. Not only corona, in future also sometime some other diseases may come and impact all the whole world. So at that point of time, we need someone to coordinate all the activities going on across the globe. So that is what is the WHO is doing. So WHO can make mistakes. So what we need to do is that we need to correct, we need to do some kind of negotiation, or we can discuss with the WHO, and we have to move forward with the WHO's functioning with the support of all the countries. Then only we will be able to coordinate all the activities against the fight, in the fight against corona. Okay, that is what is the need of the hour, and the world is hoping that even though the current president has taken such a decision, and it is also not known that whether the president himself can do or take such a decision for withdrawing from the WHO, because every decision there is a support of Congress, means the Parliament of US, right? So at that time, but at this point of time, what happened is the president has unanimously declared that it will be withdrawing from WHO. As per the report, they have not consulted the other parliamentarians. Okay, so that is on another point in question, and the world is hoping that even though the current, if president is able to withdraw himself from the unanimously can withdraw from the WHO without consulting the other parliamentarians, if that is happening, the world is hoping that the next president, sometime the current president may continue. If that is not happening, the world is hoping that the next president will join the WHO as soon as he will take the charge. That is what the world is hoping now. So that is about the news. Thank you.